Hey Lori, my name is Brandon and I'm from Sublime SEO Pro, and in this quick video I'm going to give you tips and tricks, 3 of them, so that you can rank your top online competitor. So you're probably wondering why I'm sending you this video. I spoke with Layla earlier and she went ahead and told me to address this to you. I've been a small business owner. I understand the aches and pains of growing and scaling, not only just how hard that is in general, but by doing it with online marketing. And I've realized most people and business owners really just don't have the time to get this done. They don't know what to do and they don't know who to hire because everybody seems to be the same, yada, 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 who's an expert, who's not. Well, what I've been doing is sending out a free video to certain small businesses in the area that I think I can help. And the point of this is just to send them out for free to give you 3 tips that you can utilize on your own if you'd like, or if you have questions or you just don't have the time or capacity to do it. I am happy to help you as much as I can. Okay. So that's why I'm doing this. Nothing's for sale here. You can call me if you have questions and I'll follow up with you. But like I said, whatever you do with this information is totally up to you. So the goal here is to show you who your top competitor is on Google. So if we type in HVAC company in Denver, which the reason I'm doing this is because you're titled Denver's #1 HVAC company. So we're trying to get you up into this Google map pack as well as on this front page. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what I've done is I've chosen your top competitor. We're not going to use Angie's List. We're not going to use Yelp because those are directories. But your first competitor right here is Summit Heating Company. And this is their website. Okay, so let's get started. This will be quick. The #1 thing that I need to talk to you about is content. The most important thing that Google cares about is content. Okay, so what I mean by that is the average home page on Google has about 1,500 words on it. Okay, so your website looks great. The design is great. You've got a lot of words on here. You're probably pretty close to 1,000. I would guess you're around 800-900, maybe 1,000. The first thing you can do to improve this is to get this up to 1,500 words. But what's more important than the number of words is what we place in the content. So you want to have, which you may know already, you need to have buyer intent keywords. So these are words that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your product or service that you can provide them. Okay, so let's take a look. Here is your website analytics. This is a paid tool called Ahrefs. You can use free tools if you would like to, but here we can see how many keywords you have within your whole website, which is great. That's a phenomenal start. You have over 1,000 keywords. Okay, let's take a look at your top competitor here, which is Summit Heating and AC. They have 2.2K. You guys have 1.1K. So they have 2 times the amount of keywords. And if you look here, you guys have about 1,400 people per month visiting your site. This is them. So they have 2.2 thousand keywords with 1,400 people visiting per month. You guys have 1,100 keywords with just under 800 visiting per month. So they have double the keywords with double the traffic. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. What you need to do is figure out what keywords they have that you do not have and add those to your website. So you can go through your list, their list here, and you can go through your list here and figure out which words are buyer intent, which means plumber, Lakewood, Colorado. If somebody's searching for that, they're probably looking for a plumber in Lakewood, Colorado. HVAC, Lakewood. Furnace tune-up near me, that gets a lot of searches, 700 per month, but that's not necessarily a buyer intent word because we don't know where near me is. That could be anywhere in the United States. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. You can also save these photos here as keywords. That just says plumbing. Put that as, HVAC or AC repair near or in Denver, for example, Denver AC repair, something like that. So you can save all your images and just flood this entire website with buyer intent keywords. The second thing that I wanted to go over with you is what is called a backlink. So you need as many backlinks as possible. A backlink is any website that links to yours that drives traffic to you. So it's kind of like a shout out, right? So Google is like a giant popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You will get a lot more power having websites that are relevant and trustworthy linking to yours. So you can't just go hit up, you can't just go link yourself to Pizza Hut websites and expect that to work, because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. So you need relevant companies. So other HVAC, plumbing, restoration companies, insurance companies. So currently you have 630 backlinks coming from 49 different websites. And along with these keywords, it's generating this much traffic. So 630 backlinks. Your top competitor has 1,200 backlinks coming from 439 websites. And as you can see, 1,200 versus your 630, it's about double. And again, they're getting about double the amount of traffic as you guys are. So what you can do is just go into their backlinks, figure out where they are linking from, click on them, and add yourself to these links. Get yourself listed and link back to yourself. So you can go through these one by one and link yourself to all of the same ones, because if it's working for them and they're getting ranked, it'll work for you. You just got to add yourself and get more than them. So get yourself on more than, sorry, I'm clicking around so much, but get yourself to like 1,500 backlinks, by key backlinks, trustworthy backlinks. Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3 is we want to get you guys up to be listed here in this map pack. Okay, so what you need to do is figure out how many directories this company right here, the Weather Changers, are listed in. A directory is anything that you can cite yourself in. So your business name, your address, your phone number, any directory you can list those in will allow you to gain a citation. So figure out how many citations the Weather Changers are in. If they're in 150, put yourself in 250. That way you can outrank them there as well. Okay, so to recap, you need to get at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage and fill all of your pages with buyer intent keywords and get more than your top competitor, Denver Heating and Air Conditioning, Summit Heating and AC, Get more keywords and more content than them. Get more backlinks and more domains than them. Buyer intent, they have to be relevant, trustworthy websites. And then add yourself to more directories than the Weather Changers. And within time, you will rank higher than your competitors here and get yourself on the front page of Google. Okay, so if you have any questions with that, if you need help with that, some people decide to give me a call back and we can partner up and I can help you get there. Other people decide to take this on themselves if they have the time and capacity. Whatever you decide to do with this is up to you, but I hope this served valuable for you, and I appreciate your time watching this, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, Tracy, and I hope to hear from you. Bye-bye.